Mayara subdivision located at Santa Rosa, Mandurriao, Iloilo. For more information, you can contact us, directly message. I am here happy to assist you all. Thank you. A house model of Mayara Group. This is a bath, toilet and bath, a dining area, and this is a living area. And you can also have the stock room. And then we're going to upstairs. Sa babaw. Ayan, sa babaw.